Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here fishing this riprap bank, and man, the wind kind of died down. The sun's starting to go down a little bit, and there's a lot of shad around this bank. And it also being the dam of this particular lake, the contours drop pretty sharply. And so one of my favorite topwater baits to pull fish from slightly deeper water is a walking bait. Oh, there's a bass right there. Just got nailed. Oh my gosh. Come on, get it. Oh, you rat. Man, he just destroyed it twice and still didn't get it. Come on, baby. But I don't know what it is. I think it's the action, a combination of the action and the sound. Oh, there's a good fish right there. The combination of the sound and the action that gets those fish, pulled up from deeper water. Of course, not all these fish are coming from deeper water. A lot of them are coming shallow. Decent fish. Not hooked great, but oh yeah, look at that. That is too much fun. But a walking bait is like one of the best baits for calling fish out of the deep as far as topwaters go. That was too much fun, too much fun. I mean, there's a bunch of different baits that I would throw in this situation as far as topwaters, but walking baits, if I was to throw like a buzz bait, it'd probably only call fish that are in, the shallower water. But this one, I can catch fish. I've caught fish out of 30 feet of water on a walking bait like this. It's pretty spectacular. Oh my gosh, he hit it so hard that knocked it 2 foot in the air. Didn't even seem like that big of a splash, too. Let's see if he'll eat it again before I get too close. Come on. Oh, he's right behind it. Gah! Too much fun, man. Oh, why are they missing it like crazy? Now I'm tangled. I kind of broke my rule today. I just pulled it out of the box and tied it straight onto Tactics braid. I really like a monofilament leader just because it doesn't grab the hooks as much with a walking bait. Because a walking bait, it walks like pretty much 180 degrees or almost 180 degrees back and forth. And especially when you get a fish to hit it and they don't, choke the bait, a lot of times that extra limp braid will actually, oh my gosh, that was a giant. Giant. And now I'm tangled. This is a mess. What a boondoggle. Let's see if we can get that one to bite again. Again, I've got my line stuck around. That was a mess. I doubt I'll get him to bite again. Oh my gosh, there's a giant behind it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what was that? Why are they missing it? Crazy. That was like a 5-pounder. That was like a 5-pounder. Oh my gosh. That is frustrating as all get out. That was a smaller one. That little guy. It was still fun though. You know, if this was a tournament, I would have already switched colors already. But I just don't have a lot of time to mess around with colors, because I gotta get home pretty soon. But yeah, if you start getting a lot of short strikes, number one, you need to have a follow-up bait, you know. That's a very important thing that I just don't have tied on right now. But if you start getting short strikes, man, really experiment with different colors. Because if they're just batting it around, a lot of times it's color, it might be size. There's a fish right there. Oh my gosh, too much fun. See, they're not eating it very good. They're just not getting it all that well. Too much fun, man. You know, a walking bait is you know, not only one of my favorite topwaters to pull fish from deep water, but it's just one of my favorite search topwaters in general, you know, for a variety of different depths. You can catch them in just a couple foot of water, like on long, shallow tapering points, or you can catch them in, you know, deeper water, 30 feet of water, you know. It's just a great topwater for a variety of different depths. There's one falling behind it. Come on. There's gotta be, I caught a 8-pounder off of this piece of wood the other day. See if he's there. She. There's a fish. Today I'm really having to let them get it, you know, just not react. And that's, I mean, that's something that's very important with all topwaters, is just learning how to not react to that first hit until you actually feel the fish. And you know, you can miss so many fish on a topwater. It gets so frustrating. That's one of the things about a topwater that just is, I mean, just a gut wrencher sometimes. So one thing I've learned about a walking bait is, like, I like to work it pretty fast, because then if you get a bite, you can always slow down. And you know, a lot of times, because you're moving it so fast, the fish is following behind at a pretty good clip. So when you slow it down, you maybe stop it real quick, they'll like almost run into it, kind of like a jerk bait. And that's a good way to, you know, get them to react to it and commit to it a little bit better. Well, anyways, guys, I just wanted to do a real quick, fun video fishing at topwater. Walking bait is just one of the best search baits as far as in the topwater category, and is a really good one for a lot of different depths. So if you're looking to get on a topwater bite, especially right around the post spawn, and if you got a lot of bait fish roaming around, fish are feeding on shad, a walking topwater bait, there's a lot of different ones on the market. Today we're using this Yozuri 3DB, and yeah, there's a lot of them that work really, really well. at calling fish at all different depth zones. So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this very short video. Thank you guys very much for you know, sending all these comments to me, all these questions. Keep them up. If there's a topic you want me to cover in a future video, drop it in the comment section below. Other than that, make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'm going to put all the tackle that I used today in the description below, and I'm going to see you out on the water. Trust the process.